All right, I meant to make this and show you guys in class how to set up number 5 on our pulley drives and sprockets thing, because you probably, and I didn't at first, know what the heck this looked like, so it's really hard to set up. So what I did was, I Googled industrial overhead door with sprocket, and I figured out what was going on. Basically, here's an easy way to look at it. But if you look at these are the actual things. A lot of times they'll have a garage door like this one, and it's controlled by this sprocket. That's what makes the thing roll up and roll down. So you can kind of see here, these black things come away. The one that's right next to this silver door is like this sprocket, and then it comes back towards you, like where I'm pointing right now, is this with a chain hanging down. And you pull this chain, you like pull down, 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 and the garage door goes up. And if you want the garage door to go, and then you pull on this side and the garage door goes back down. So basically, you're pulling on this chain and it's making this chain move. That gives you a mechanical advantage over the door, that sort of thing. So this is the situation we're talking about. Now on the problem, you don't have to get crazy with your drawing, but it says sketch and annotate the drivetrain. So you have one fixed 22 tooth sprocket. So we got this 22 tooth sprocket. I'm not going to draw the little branches on there. And it goes down. It's got a chain around it. This is like the chain you pull on to get that garage door to open up. And it goes over from here. It's attached to this first system with another 22 tooth sprocket. So basically you have another chain. It can't be the same one or it won't pull both, but just imagine another disc like this right behind it. And it goes out here to a bigger sprocket. So you basically got this going on. And this one's attached to the garage door that opens it up. This is a 48 tooth sprocket. So if you have this situation, you're basically using your mechanical advantage from 22 to 48. Alright, so now that you have that picture, it'll be really easy to do, but it was hard with that. So overall gear ratio for sprockets, just like for gears, you can do it with diameters, you can do it with teeth, you can do it with angular velocity, which is omega, or RPMs, or you can do it with torque. Now this problem gives you teeth, so you do teeth. And remember, it's naut over nin. Okay, and here's your output, here's your input, so really easy once you get the picture. So I totally get it if you didn't understand how to start that one. I apologize, I meant to do this ahead of time. You can calculate that out and get your final answer, but sorry about that. That is confusing, especially if you didn't know what that looked like, which why would you? All right, talk to you guys later. Hope this helps.